Internet marketing. Dear web marketer, did you know that many people don't know that generating traffic is the next important thing to do once you have constructed a website? It's unfortunate, but it's true. This scenario happens every day, or maybe every hour. A new internet entrepreneur starts a website, waits for traffic to come, ends up disillusioned, and then, well, not really a happy ending to go into detail. And do you still hear people say, set your website up and people, will come? Hogwash. 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 So why doesn't traffic immediately stream in after someone sets up a website? The primary reason is that traffic has to come from somewhere. It doesn't just drop out of the sky. After all, why should your new site be more noticeable than the other and the rest of the over 30 million websites on the internet? Now the core discussion: why is targeted, not just any kind of, traffic vital? On 3 counts, at the top of my head right now. It can explode your sales. Let's say you regularly have 20 unique visitors daily and most of them are untargeted. You might be able to go weeks without a single sale. Now, let's consider a situation in which you set up a joint venture and your partner sends a mailing to his or her list that generates 15,000 targeted visits overnight. You could go from making less than 1 sale per day to over 1,000 sales in a single night. Traffic can impact your website profits by helping you build your list at warp speed, too. Again, consider how long it would take to build lists with the 2 models described above. Last, traffic can absolutely expose your personal, or your brand, popularity. This can have an exponentially powerful effect on each of your successive product releases. How else can traffic impact your website profits? If you have no traffic, you will also have no profits. Period. Now the only suspicion I have that you're here reading this letter right now is because I know you have a problem, and a big one at that, making sales and getting leads from your website. Otherwise, you won't be reading up until now. And you and I can confirm one nominal problem: massive, targeted, traffic. I won't go into your problem too detail, not because it's already bad enough, but I understand your urgency of getting a solution to it is much greater. Inside this manual, discover *9:9 traffic generation tactics you can use for your own. I'm aware there are manuals written on the same subject where they claim there's 3,128,326 ways to generate traffic, but in reality they're either filled with fluff, beat around the bush, or are just plain garbage. Is that what you really want? But if you want the real deal and zero in on practicing strictly the killer tactics, this is it. How to squeeze visitors and traffic in droves from the largest pool of resource online. How to get a higher ground in search engines and top your competitors of the same niche, simply by making some small changes to your web pages. How to turn your words into traffic-pulling weapons. How to get other people to take over the job of driving targeted traffic into your websites for you willingly. How to maximize the advantages of one of the most controversial, most feared methods of driving traffic in your favor. How to go straight into the nests of your prospects, where existing targeted traffic already exists, and steal their traffic, legally. How to use free blogs to drive in red-hot traffic into your other websites quickly and easily, no pain, but plenty of gain. How to leverage on the other awesome part of search engines, for more exposure, more leads, and then more sales. How to get massive traffic from other large pools of online media at low cost. The recipe of chalking out a powerful press release in bringing your websites to overnight celeb status. How to strategically architect your ads in driving maximum targeted traffic, and how to choose the right places, too. And so much more.